This is 18, Pakistan's premium golf community, offering luxurious apartments, The Heights. In a community like none other, The Heights at 18 are 28 pavilion-styled, low-rise 1, 2, 3-bedroom apartments and penthouses. The luxurious 3-bedroom apartment is an ideal place for a family living. With a panoramic 18-hole championship golf course view, the beautiful living area, top-class kitchen with imported fittings. These apartments are fully fitted, spacious bedrooms along with ideal dressing area. These apartments are truly not less than a dream. Book your interest with a 15% down payment and a 4-year easy payment plan. Only at a 10-minute drive from Islamabad International Airport. A project by Aura Developers